Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the Apple logo an obvious tactile target. Remove the case or place a small sticker so you can reliably find it. Once done, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and select Back Tap. Make sure to pick whether you want a 2-tap or 3-tap trigger now, because consistency matters. This initial setup lets you use the logo as a repeatable location for quick physical taps, which improves accuracy and reduces accidental triggers. Next, create or pick the exact task you want the logo to trigger. Open the Shortcuts app and build a shortcut for the action, like launching camera, turning on a light, or sending a message. Then return to Back Tap and assign that specific shortcut to your chosen 2-tap or 3-tap gesture. After assigning, test by tapping directly on the logo area with quick, deliberate taps. If it doesn't fire reliably, adjust how you touch the logo, use the sticker as your target, and keep taps brisk and centered. Finish by refining your technique. Practice a few times to build consistent pressure, placement, and rhythm so the phone registers the taps. If it misfires or fails, toggle back tap off and on, reboot the phone, and retest. Sometimes sensitivity resets help. Make sure the case isn't dampening taps. Remove or switch to a thinner cover if needed. One troubleshooting tip: if taps register inconsistently, place a very small sticker on the logo as a tactile guide and retrain your muscle memory to hit that spot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.